Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial video guys, we will create computation of grades in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my video, supporting my channel. I really appreciate. I would like to mention my best friend Tom, who helped me out in writing this code. So what the program will do is to ask how many grades to be processed, and then for each grades is a perfect score of 10, so 7 out of 10, 6.10 for example, So we have here two library files, stdio.h, stdlib, and then we create here functions, sum of array, in sum underscore of array, in array in size, in sum for in I equals 0, I less than size, increment sum plus equals array, return sum, close. Now to get the letter grade, we have here another function that is called getGrade. We have a passive parameter of grade. If grade greater than or equal to 91 and grade less than or equal to 100, return A. Else if grade greater than 81 and grade less than 90, return B. Else if grade greater than or equal to 71 and grade less than or equal to 80, return C. Else if grade greater than equal 61 and grade less than or equal to 70, return D. Else if the grade is the lowest or less than 60, return E, return 0, closed. We have here in main, it's the starting and ending point of every C programs, left curly bracket, and then we have here the title, computation of grades in C, printf, new line in line number 32 for formatting purposes, line 34 new line, and then at line 35 it will ask how many grades that will be stored in our variable number num underscore grades int scanf ampersand num underscore grades int pointer grades equals malloc or memory allocation grades multiply size of integer. For int I equals 0, I less than num grades, increment enter grades, and then we store in an array grade I. So total underscore sum of array grades, it will accept here, and then it will compute for the average grade in avg. Total sum over num of grades multiplied by 10. 10 is the perfect score, So it will display the grade descriptive rating, avg, and get grade letter. Printf, we will free the memory allocation here, grades, return 0, and close our main function in C. I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, so let us build and run. Okay, our program is running properly in codeblocks. Computation of grades in C. How many grades? Let's say we have 4. Grade number 1, we have 10, a perfect score. Grade number 2, 8. Grade number 3 is we have 5. And then grade number 4, assuming we have 7. So your grade is 70. Descriptive rating is D. Okay, so another example. We have 5 grades. We have grade number 1, perfect 10. Grade number 2, perfect 10. Grade number 2, we have 8. Grade number 4, we have 9. Grade number 5, we have 10. So your grade is 90. Descriptive rating is B. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on computation of grades in C, which uses array and letter grade and functions. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description. Kindly read where you can download the complete source code for free. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. Your support is highly appreciated a lot. Without you guys, my channel will not grow. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.